Assalamu alaikum, class 2. How are you? I'm hoping you are safe and healthy. By the way, I'm FT Miss. Today I'm going to teach you from 28 unit of Math Book 1. Be ready with your book and with other study materials. Now open unit 28. Are you ready for the learning? Yes. So what can you see on the above of the page? Place value. Yes. What is the place value? Any guess? Place value is the original value of each digit in a number. What is digit? Suppose 4764. Here, how many digits in the number? 4 digits. What are the digits? 4, 7, 6, 4. Yes. Now go for example B. Write the place value of 4764. So what are the digits in the number? 4, 7, 6, 4. How many digits in the number? 4 digits. We have to find out the place value of each of the digits. Here 2 digits are the same. In the first 4 and of the number, the last digit is also 4. But the place value of the 2, 4 is different. Let's see. 4000. I have marked it. See, match it with your book. Follow the book and follow the class lecture also. 4000. Yes, 4000. The 4, the first digit from the left side. 4000. So 4000 was the place value of 4000. Yes, we can write them the 4000 in number 4000s, or also we can write, look now at the below of the picture. 4000, instead of writing 4000 in number, we can also write in words 4000s. It is also written in your book on the right side of the question. Yes, 4000. And then what's the place value of 7? The digit of 7. Let's at first say the number 4700. So the place value of 7 is 700. Yes, we can write it like this, 700. In number we can write 700, or okay, let's again see the below what is written. 700, instead of writing in number 700, we can also write down like this, 700s. Yes, in words 700s. So we can use both of this term or any of this term. When we have to write in word, then we can write 700s like this. Okay. When we have to write the place value in number, then we can write the place value like this, 700, using the zeros. So for number, for writing down the place value in number, we have to use the zeros, and when we have to write down the number like this in words, the place value, then we have to mention thousands, hundreds, tens and units without writing down the zeros. Then in the number, the next digit is 6. 60. Yes, 60. The place value of 6 in the number of 4764. Then position, the place value of 6 is 60, and we can write down like this, 6 tens. Then the most last digit, which is 4, which is sitting on the most right side of the number, which is 4. The place value of 4 is 4 units or 4. So class, listen carefully. When in any number, if we have to find out the place value of the number, then the most right side value, the most last digit of the value will be unit, will represent unit. The place value of the most right side digit will be units. That's all from B number. Now Go for C number. Example C. Write the place value of 9,742. Here it is done for you. 9,000s. So we write the 9, the place value of 9 in the thousands box. Then 700s. So what is the place value of 700s? 40. Yes, 40, 4 tens. And the last digit, which represents units, as I have already told. 9,740. Instead of writing 40, we can write when it is written in the word form. We have to write, instead of writing 40 or 50 or 60, all these kind of 2 digits, last digit 0, we have to write down it in tens. Yes, and the last digit will be units. So what can you see here? Yes, there are many boxes here. The most left side box is 100. One box, one blue color box is here. How many 100? 100. Then tens. How many tens? 3 bar is here. 3 bars are here. So how many tens? 3 tens. Yes. And for the ones, how many ones? Count it. Yes, 8. In the hundredth column, 1. In the tens column, the digit is 3, and in the ones column the digit is 8. So if we say in a number 130, 2 tens, we can tell it as 38. 138. What's the place value of 1 here? 100. What's the place value of 3 here? 30 or 3 tens. And what's the place value of the most last digit, which is 8? It is 8 ones or 8 units or 8. Yes. 8 units and 8 ones is the same thing. Let's go for the next slide. So someone is standing here with a pen and papers. So be ready for doing your exercise. Are you ready for your exercise? Turn page 96 and be ready with your pencil, eraser and all the things for writing. So what can you see in the 96 number page? Some numbers are written here. Yes, these are the numbers. Write the place value of these numbers. The first one is 3,562. Class, you have to first say the number, then you can easily find out the place value of the number. 3,562. Yes, 3,562. So what's the place value of 3 here? 3,000. Yes, very good. Then what is the digit in the place value of hundreds position? What? 3,500. So 500. Then 60. 62 as 60. So what's the position of 6 digit in the number? 6 tens. Yes. And the most right side digit, which is 2 in the number of 3,562. So the single 2 is, place value is 2. Yes, 2 units. Then go for the next number, B number. B number, what's the number? 3,010. 3,010. So what is the position of 3 in the number? The place value of 3 digit is thousands. Yes. Then the next one is 3,000. Anything is in the hundreds. Did we say anything for the hundreds? No. But here is 0. So as 0 in the place of hundreds, we don't say it. So 0 is hundreds. Then 10. Yes. But tens, instead of writing tens, we will write for the digit 1, 1 tens. Yes, and the most right side digit of the number is 0. So, which will be in the units place value. 3010. In the number, the digit of 3 is 3000. Place value. The place value of 1 is 1 tens. Now, let's go for the C number. 8319. 8000. What is the place value of 8? 8,000s. Then what is the place value of 3? Already I have told the number. 8,319. So what is the place value of 3? 300s. And 19, which is in the place value of tens? 1, 0, 10. Yes, so 1. And the last digit of the number 8319 is 9, which will be in the units place value. So the place value of 9 is units, the place value of 8 is 8000s, the place value of 1 is 1 tens, and the place value of 3 is 300s. Now be ready for the next exercise. 2 and 3 number exercise. We will do it together. 2 number and 3 number exercise. As both of the exercise are having same rule. So turn page 97. Write the place value of the digit in the box, as we have already learned about it. But here we have to write down in number. The place value of the digit we have to write down in number, not in word. At first, but how can we do that? Okay, let's learn it. So say the number 5261. I have highlighted the questions which place value we need to know. So 5261. In the number, we have to know the place value of 2. The highlighted box, which is maybe orange color, no? Orange color, yes. That orange 2. What is the place value of 2 here? 5261. So the place value of 2 is 200. 200. Okay. My students, Navan, Sara, Zarif, and all the others. Did you get it? So Nuraya or the others, Wafi, what will be the answer? 1089. 1089. The highlighted one, 8. What will be the place value of 8? Sami, say it. What will be the place value of 8? 1089. The highlighted one is 8. So the place value of 8 we have to find out. 1089. So the place value of 8 is 80. Yes. And we write down the place value here in number. But if we have to write down the place value of 80 in words, then the place value will be 8 tens. Yes, you know that, I know. Then go for the next page, 90, turn 98 number page. Okay, can you see? Ramisa, A number 7520. 7520. 5. Here the highlighted one is 5. So we have to know the place value of 5. 7,000, say it again all together, 7,520. So the place value of 5 is 500. 500, yes. C number, go for C number. 1,284. Here highlighted one is 1. So what will be the place value of 1? 1,284. So the place value of 1 will be 1000s. Yes, very good. Then E number 4561. 4561. The most right side digit of 4061 is 1. The last digit of the number 4061 is 1. So, what will be the place value? It is one single 1. 4561. So, the place value will be 1. In number, it is 1. But if we have to write down in word, what will be the place value of 1? 1 units. Yes, got it? Okay, then go for F number. 6432. 32. We have to know the place value of 3. So the digit of 3, what is the place value of 3 digit? Yes, 30. 30. Yes. That's all from today's class. So class 2, I have home task for you. Do this homework from page 96, 97 and 98. Listen carefully. You have to at first listen the class, hear from the class, then go through the pages from 96 to 98. If you find any problem when doing the maths, then you can keep it for the class. I will solve it. That's all from today's class. Allah Hafiz. And thank you for being good listener for the whole time. Allah Hafiz.